Okay, come back here. I'm going to work on these problems here. So Taylor is reading a 340-page book. He read 174 pages of the book on Saturday, 120 pages on Sunday. How many does he have left? Well, for that one, I'm going to start by basically, I'm going to do just a math mountain. Sort of a math mountain again. I know that my total is 340. Well, one part is 174. One part is 120. I don't know what that missing part is right there. Okay, well, for that, then what I need to do, I know I need to figure out how many pages he's read so far. So I'm going to do 174 plus 120. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then I can take my total, 340 minus 294. I can't do 0 minus 4, so I'm going to do some trading. 4 tens becomes 3 tens. Bring 10 ones over. 0 turns into 10 ones. 10 minus 4 is 6. I can't do 3 minus 9, so I'm going to go to the hundreds, do some trading there. 3 hundreds becomes 200s. Bring 10 tens. So now I have 13 tens. 4, and so 46. Okay, so how many pages left? 46 pages left. So you're going to see on this page, I didn't, on this, I should say, in this part, I didn't write my equation there. So you're going to see, I'm kind of doing my work all over the place. And partially as I don't have I can do that, and trying to write on this can be a little tough. So, but it's same. You just write as best as you can, write on paper, but just work through your problems. Everyone was just such a nice job with that. Number 4. Lauren had a piece of ribbon that was 36 inches long. She cut a number of 3-inch pieces. She had 15 pieces left. Well, I knew on that one, I can't cut I can't decide how many 3-inch pieces left. That's my last step. I need to figure out how much ribbon she used to cut that. So I needed to take my 36 was my total. Well, I'm gonna just take away 15 from that. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Well, she used 21 pieces for the 3 inches. So basically what she did then is she took 21 and she split that into 3 parts. And so, but really she has a bunch of 3-inch pieces. So I could count it like this too. I could count like 1, 2, 3. I'm actually going to change that. So that's 1 piece, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Oh, look at, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so my equation for that would be 21 divided by 3 equals 7 ribbons. The reason why I did that subtraction first of 36 minus 15 is because she had 15 left over, but she started 36, took away 15, or she had 15 left over, but she used 21 for the ribbon then. And this last one, there are 47 students in the marching band. There are 5 in the first row, the rest are in the 6. Okay, well, I need to start with my total, my 47. I'll use a comparison bar for this one. 47. So 5 were in that first row. I'm just going to make that piece really small. The rest were in the other 6 rows. Well, so that means I need to do 47 minus 5 to figure out how many go in the other rows. And then it goes 42 kids. So now I can think, okay, well, there's 42 kids and they're split up in the other 6 rows. Well, this is where I could do like a fast array. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 42 total here, but I don't know how many go in each row though. So 42 total, 6 rows, but I don't know how many go in each row. So it is going to be a division because I'm splitting them up. So 42 divided by 6 equals something, and I always like to change it to something times 6 equals 42. Oh, that helps me a lot. Well, that's 7 then. So how many go in each row? 7. 7 students. Okay, so you can stop here. Go back and rewatch any of this if you need to for this page. Before we go to the next. Okay, and on this page, I'm going to walk you through a couple more questions, and then I'll stop there again. But okay, so number 6. Sarah baked 48 cookies and gave a dozen cookies to her friend. She put the remaining cookies go on plates of 9 cookies each. How many plates did she use? Ooh, okay. Now this one has a hidden number. So you should be thinking, okay, well, what is a dozen? What's a dozen? What's a dozen? A dozen is 12. Okay. So I have to think. So she had 48 cookies and gave a dozen to her friend. She put the remaining cookies on plates of 9 each. How many plates did she use? Well, basically she's going to take whatever cookies she has left, and that's what she's going to be splitting them up. And it says each right there. So I know that last part's going to be division. But first, she doesn't take 48 cookies and split them because she gave 12 away to her friend. So, okay, I know what I'm going to have to do then. So I can think about that like that. I just did a comparison bar, so I'm going to switch back to a math mountain. I know she has 48. She gave away 12. How many does she have left over? Okay, well, that's going to be subtraction then. So it's going to be 48 minus 12. Just going to do some mental math here. 8 ones minus 2 ones is 6 ones. And 4 tens minus 1 10 is 3. 3 tens, so 36. So now I can do... So now she took 36 cookies and divided them up into 9 plates. Well, so 36 divided by 9 plates equals 4 plates. Okay, let's go to number 7. Marissa's making floral bouquets. So it's like flower bouquets. So in each of the bouquet, like a big bunch of flowers. She bought 56 tulips, 73 daisies, and some roses. That word right there, some, is very key. She bought that many in all. How many roses did she buy? Okay, well, right away in my head, I'm thinking about part total. Part total. I'm going to switch back to a comparison bar on this one. So she had 153 altogether. One of the parts was 56. Another part was 73. And some are roses. I'm going to use an R for a variable. Okay, well, for this one, I got to figure out, for that one, because I would do part plus part plus part to get that one. Well, I can't do that. But what I really do need to know is, because how many roses did she buy? Well, the first thing I need to do is I need to figure out, well, how many tulips and daisies does she have? I know that she has 56 tulips and 73 daisies, but how many does she have altogether? So I'm going to just do 73 plus 56. I always like to put my larger number on top. 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry my 1 there. So she's 129 tulips and daisies altogether. So now I can think about like this. So if that's 129 there, now I can do my part plus part equals total, or total minus a part to get the missing part. So now I can do 153 minus 129. I can't do 3 minus 9, so I'm going to do some trading from the tens. So I have 4 tens now. And bring 10 ones over, 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And that's what I have left. So I have 24. 24 roses. Okay, so I'm just going to read the other 3 problems, and then you are going to be going to solve. Tom has 103 photos on his digital camera. He deletes, so he deleted 33. He prints the remaining photos and then puts an equal number on each page of an album that has 10 pages. So he has a bunch of photos. He deletes 33. Then he takes the rest, though, and puts them into a photo album, and he puts 10 on each page. Or no, puts the same number on 10 pages. Okay, how many go on each page? All right, so that's definitely, I need to figure out. So he's going to take a number, and he's going to split them onto 10 pages, but you need to know what that I need to know what that number is, though. How many is he going to be splitting? How do I figure out what number he's going to be splitting? Okay, so think about that. Leo bought 6 sets of books. Each set had the same number of books. Oh, so there's 6 sets, but I don't know how many go in each set. So he donated 11 books to the school library. Now he has 37 books left. Okay. So I know that for this one, he eventually will be, he's going to have 6 sets of something. Or he's going to be having 6 sets of books. And he's going to try to, he has to divide those 6 sets up. But how many books did he split though? So he had 37 books, but I'm not splitting 37 books though. Oh, okay. All right, I got to figure out first before I can split them into those 6 sets there. I have to figure out how many books did he actually do that with. Okay, that's a great one. All right. Then Amber had 5 packages of chalk. Each package has 9 pieces. Okay. She gave a number of pieces of chalk to her brother. Okay, she gave a number of pieces of chalk to her brother. Amber has 37 pieces of chalk left. Oh, okay, because I was thinking, well, if there's 5 packages of chalk and there's 9 in each pack, well, I can do that. But I need to know how many did she give her brother, because it says right there she gave a number to her brother. Okay, so I'm going to have to figure, I think I know, probably have to figure out how much chalk does she have? And she kept some and the other goes to her brother. So it's like a math one or a compare, like part in the total. Okay, so I'm going to stop there. Come back and check my answers and thinking.